In today's video, I am going to show you how to increase your mining rate in Avive mining process. Now, this is very important to all those who are mining Avive. Currently, we have passed through stages, about 4 stages of halving in Avive token, which means that the supply of Avive has totally reduced. That is the total supply. So it is very difficult now to mine one Avive, especially for new registrants. So if you have registered for Avive and you are not doing this, then you need to watch this video and follow the process. Now, we will be making use of what we call the gift box or the data box. So right now, this is my page. Okay, this is my page. Once you register, this is the interface. Okay, this is the dashboard of the Avive mining app. So guys, when you take a look at this, you see this is what we call the my soul power, and this is what we call my team power. Now this soul power is a kind of a command or a kind of mechanism that works on the principle of the higher the value, the higher the rate of your mining. The same thing applies to your team power. Now this soul power increases when you exchange what we call your soul your magic stones, which I'm going to explain later on. Now this team power increases when you invite people with your link to register and mine for Avive token. Now in order to continue this process, in order to increase our mining rate, what we need to do is we click on the tool button here. So once you click on this tool button, this option here will come up, that is this page. Then you click on the magic stone. Now here I have 2 magic stones. Now this magic stone is, the first one is the wind magic stone, and the second one is, sorry for that distraction, the first one is the wind magic stone and the second one is the fire magic stone. Now when you exchange this magic stone, I'm going to show you how to do that exchange. When you exchange this magic stone, it will increase your rate of mining by 5%. That is, it will increase your my soul power by 5%. The same applies to this. So what you'll be getting in the value of your soul power is 400 here. That is for the one of magic stone, and the one of firestone you'll be getting 200. What I mean is this: taking this wind magic 400 for instance, once you successfully exchange this wind magic stone with another miner, when you come to the first page here, it will increase your mining session. It will increase this value of your my soul power by 100, and once it increases it by 100, what it means is that the rate at which you mine will be increased. It will come up a bit. Sorry for this. So guys, in order to proceed now, we'll go back to the tools. We click on tools, okay, at the down part of this page. I hope you can see it. Let me highlight it. Now this is it. You click on tools. Then, so before we proceed, I want you to understand this. There is a command for initiate and there is a command for join. If you want to initiate, you will initiate and you copy your code. For all these different magic stones, there is a code for it. Okay, if you want to initiate, what you do is you copy the code after clicking on the initiate button. Then you select the number of persons you want to initiate for. Then you copy the code and share to other users. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, if you want to initiate, I'll click on the initiate button. We are taking the magic stone right now. That is the wind magic stone. Here you are going to select the number of people for the exchange. Okay, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5. So I will suggest you go for 5, because the higher the number of persons, the higher the value you are going to get, the higher the my soul power that you are going to get, and the higher your mining rate will increase. So right now I'm going to select for 5 persons. So when I select for 5 persons, I will click on the initiate button. So when I click on the initiate button, right now I'll give it some seconds. Okay, so you see it. So right now I'm going to click on the code. Now this is the code for this exchange. This is the code. So I'll tap on this button here, right here. I'll tap on this copy button so that I will copy this code and I will share it to others. Now when I share it to them, once they join, we'll be getting 4,200 soul power. That is the final soul power that we are going to get, which will be added up to your my soul power, which I show you at the first page, that is the interface. So right now what I'll do is I'll copy this code right now. So once I copy it, it says copy successful. I will go to a group, a Telegram group, where these magic stones are being exchanged with lots and lots, thousands of miners. Okay, so right now before the end of this video, I'm going to drop the link in the description. That is the link to the exchange, the code exchange group, the Telegram group. I'm going to drop it in the description so that you can join and you exchange your magic stones. So right now I will go to my Telegram group. So this is the Telegram group. The title is Avive Global Code Exchange, and we have a lot of miners herein. We have 198,331 members, and we have 3,837 members present. So this is the group where we'll be sharing the different codes. As you can see, you see a lot of persons sharing their exchange codes, okay, their magic stone codes here, okay, for other miners to join. So here we are going to paste that code which we copied. Now I've pasted it, so I'm going to edit and write the title of the code, because every code has its title. So the code I copied is wind magic stone. Okay, this is wind magic stone. So what we do now is I'm going to post it here by clicking on this button. So I've posted it here. So whoever that has this wind magic stone can just copy this my link, edit it, and copy out the code and go to his own, and he will go to his own Avive mining app, search for the wind magic stone, and then participate in the exchange code. Okay, so here we are going to wait for some seconds or for some minutes, depending on how fast the people join. Okay, we're going to wait for some minutes. As you can see here, two persons have already joined. As you can see here, two persons have already joined. You need to understand this and understand it very well. So this is me here, that is, it says yourself. Okay, this user has joined and this user has joined. So what we are waiting for now is user 4 and user 5 to join. And once they join, I'm going to come here and click on execute exchange. Okay, so that this exchange will be executed and the total number that we have gotten right now will be added to our my soul power. Now remember, before now here we used to have 4,200, but as you can see, as many people join, the value increases. That is the essence, and that is the reason I suggested you select 5 persons for each of the exchange, because the higher the number of persons, the higher the value you are going to get. So while we wait for this, I'm going to use this fire magic stone as an example, but in this case we are not going to use the initiate option. Right now we are going to make use of the join option. Now the initiate option is if we are the one trying to execute this exchange, but the join option simply means someone already has initiated. Now we want to join the person's exchange. So what we do right now is we are going to click on the join button, which is this one. So right now I'll click on the join button. Okay, now here it is requested that I'm going to go and search for someone who has the fire magic stone and copy the code and paste the code here. So right now we are going to go back to that Telegram group. When I get to the Telegram group, I'm going to search for someone who has the fire magic stone. Okay, so we're going to wait. Okay, I think this person has, so I'll copy it, then I'll paste it here, then I'll select the code. Sorry, I'm going to copy out the code. All right, let me cut it. This is fire magic, right? Then I'll come here and I'll paste it. I'll click on confirm, now it says the exchange has been completed. That is the required number of persons which that person initiated for has been completed. So I'll keep on searching until I find one that will execute successfully. Alright, so I have seen one, and this is it. This is the fire magic. So I have copied it, I have pasted it here. So I'm going to edit it and copy out this text. So I'll go back, that is that code. I'll go back and I'll click on the join button. Once I click on the join button, I will paste the code here. I'll paste it, then I'll click on confirm. Now, as you can see, I have joined this person's exchange. Okay, I've joined this person's exchange. Now when you take a look here, you see that the fourth person has joined and our soul power here has increased. So guys, now this person for the fire magic stone, the person exchanged for, I think it is 3 persons, and that is why we have number 3 here waiting to join. So once this person joins, now whoever that initiated this exchange will execute it. So we are going to wait for this person, this last person here, to join. So once the person joins, I will finally execute the exchange. Okay, I will also wait for this person to complete his own, then the person will execute from his own end. All right. So guys, as you can see here, these persons have joined my the exchange which I initiated, and here you can see this is execute exchange. So since it has been completed, take a look at those figures. You see that I have gotten 5,000 final soul power, which will be the same value increment which each and every one who has joined this exchange which I have initiated will get. Okay, so each and every one of us, we are going to get 5,000. So right now I am going to click on execute exchange. Okay, so when I click on execute exchange, it says execute exchange, you cancel or confirm. I'll click on the confirm button. So it says no data can be displayed, which shows that I have executed the exchange. Now right now, why we are seeing this, why we are seeing that there is nothing here, is the other person who whose exchange I joined, that is the person who has the fire exchange who I joined, that person has also executed his own exchange, because the number of persons initiated for has joined the initiation and he has executed just the same way which I have done. Okay guys, so that is how to exchange our magic stones. Okay, in the case of OEX, in the case of core, it is called hash cards. All right, now in the case of Avive, it is called magic stones. Okay, there are other similar networks, there are other similar mining that has this same type of exchange of card mechanism. We also have the Metapop. In the case of the Metapop, they call it data box and gift box. Okay guys, they are all the same, just to help us to increase the rate of our mining by exchanging codes to increase our my soul power and increase the rate at which we mine. Okay, now if you refer, the higher the number of persons you refer, the higher your team power. It also contributes to the rate of your mining. So you feel free to share your links to your loved ones, to your friends, share it on Twitter, share it on different social media, so that you get people register under you, register via your link, and this will help you to increase your mining power and your soul power. So guys, in our next video, I'll be showing you how to make use of this gift box. I'm going to show you how to make use of this gift box in our next video. So guys, thank you. If you find this video interesting, if you find it educative, feel free to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. Hit on the notification bell so that each time I upload videos you get notified. Feel free to ask me any question if you have any in the comment section below, and I will respond in due time. Feel free to share my video, share it to your communities. Those who register with your link, feel free to share this video to them and help them watch the video, understand the process, and follow the process. So guys, I hope to see you in my next video.